Let's talk about writing with our non-dominant hand. It's really a fascinating thing. And there is some really good evidence. And I certainly know my personal experience has been that writing with your non-dominant hand is an amazing way to tap into your inner child. Basically, you're tapping into another part of you. Your dominant hand is more linear and thinking brain, and your non-dominant hand is your more feeling and non-linear part of your brain. But I wanted to tell you that when you do your dialogue quadrant or any of the other exercises that are out there, if you really want to tap into what your inner child is thinking and feeling, an amazing way to do that would be to write anything that's from your inner child with your non-dominant hand, including your inner protector. So this can happen when you're just writing in your journal and you want to just ask questions like, why am I feeling so upset? What's going on? Inner child, what are you feeling right now? You could do it like that. And then what you would do is write with your right hand the question, and then your left hand would be the answer. Now, of course, it's messier and it's not as perfect, but I'm going to show you this just recently. You can see right here, I was working on something that I was dealing with, and you can see right there, you probably can't read it well, but you can see right here is my inner child. That's my left hand. This is my left hand. And then over here is my left hand. And you can see, and then me responding back to her with this one here. And you get to see the different writing, but it starts to tap into her at that level of child. And oftentimes we'll be surprised by what comes out when we write with our non-dominant hands. So my invitation to you is to write with your non-dominant hand anytime you have questions for your inner child. Dominant hand writes the question, non-dominant hand writes the answer. And let us know how it goes and what you learn when you tap into your inner child using this little strategy.